A great sculptor noticed a stone that had been rejected and thrown aside by the builders. In the stone he saw a beautiful angel. He chiseled the stone away and revealed the angel to the world. I want, if I can, to get you to look into the future and see yourself as a beautiful, successful character, and after getting the vision, reveal that character to the world. Only through the hard gates where struggle gives her challenge and adversity demands her toll is there an entrance to the valleys of achievement and the kingdoms of delight. Be true to yourself. Be true to your friends. Be true to the world. Think of yourself as on the threshold of unparalleled success, and that a whole clear, glorious life lies before you. Get an exact and definite mental picture of the ultimate end and aim of your life. Select the particular position you propose to reach. Picture yourself also as surrounded by all the good things that naturally go with the position selected. Be very definite about this, and do not be too modest. Let it be something well worth years of patient struggle to attain. Decide definitely that you will attain it, no matter what the effort or time required. Then hold to that vision. Keep it always before you like a distant beacon of light. Have a steady hand at the wheel. Strive for it persistently and continuously. And when the seas are foggy, have faith that it is there to be reached, even though you cannot for the moment see it. Never let it slip from your subconscious thought. Live by it. Believe that you are attaining it. Great women and men hold fast to their visions. That is why they are great. Know that the vision that you glorify in your mind, the ideal that you enthrone in your heart, this you will build your life by. This you will become. And if you have not the vision, you will succumb. If you currently are not what you would be, act as you would act if you were what you would be. These actions then will become habitual, and you will be what you would be. Genius consists but in the utilization of true thoughts, right ideas, correct habits, inspiring ideals, and the useful experiences of others. But in this imitation be sincere and real. Be yourself. Do not accept from others as true what does not sympathize with your own innermost feelings. Everywhere the call is sounding for women and men with clear heads and noble hearts, people who dare to nail a lie and tell a truth. Learn to claim success is yours now, to expect it and be thankful for it in the present, like one who has already received it. Be conscious that your desire is an expression of power, an original creative force within you, seeking to be, and know that nothing except willful neglect on your part can prevent the desired result. Then you will be thankful, because you will know that success is at hand, because you have a living faith. Faith makes it possible for us to do today the things which yesterday doubt said were impossible. Doubts fan the fear flame, and good is lost by failure to attempt. Wisdom by use grows into greater power, and humility is the saving quality of wisdom's greatness. Practice on yourself what you preach to your neighbor, and both you and your neighbor will profit thereby. Our destiny changes with our thoughts. We shall become what we wish to become, do what we wish to do, when our habitual thought corresponds with our desire. The divinity that shapes our ends is in ourselves. It is our very self. You must stand with anybody that stands right, Stand with them while they are right, and part with them when they go wrong. Pick out the best person ahead of you in the race as an exemplar, and study and work to excel them in all things, not in their way, but in your own way. Keep at it until you do excel them. Then select another exemplar still farther on, and repeat the process. Success is in some measure a game of follow the leader, but in the manner of your following, be yourself. After a time you will awake some morning to find that you yourself are the leader. As you forge ahead, remember that the person who is content and joyful is the one who has put their heart into their work and done their best. Do without being told to do, because the one who fears they will do more than they get paid for never gets paid for more than they do. The best way for you to raise your salary or income is to raise your work, and the only way you can raise your work is by raising your ability. Know your profession. It is those who keep ahead that attract attention. It is to no person's credit that they trail along with the procession. The person who goes out in front, whether plodding their way through the forest or in the conduct of a business, is the one to be rewarded. It is common to see an employee wondering why it is that another employee is promoted. They have done their work faithfully, they will tell you. They have kept up with the affairs of the company, and they cannot understand why anyone else should be selected when promotions are due. But the chances are that the one selected for promotion wasn't satisfied to simply do their assigned work, but got ahead of it, way out in front where the vision is unobstructed. They were not content merely to keep up, and thus the reward, in the form of a promotion, came to them. Now, if you are aiming at achieving a large success, know that the road is long, hard, and various. It is fortified by many gates, one at every twist and turn. These gates are all securely locked, and each one is the special opportunity of the moment. Its unlocking requires the alertness to see, the preparation to act, the will and the skill to perform efficiently, and the speed to get through before death overtakes you. The difficulty of seeing, the amount and quality of the preparation for action, the force of will and determination, the character of the skill required, the magnitude of the task, are all in direct proportion to the greatness of the opportunity. You cannot go around one of these gates. If you do, you get off the road to success. Success consists in traveling this road, in passing through all these gates. Large success is therefore the summation of a series of acts, each efficiently done. These gates are all impassable except by unlocking. Each swings on peculiar springs, which force it wide open the moment it is unlocked, and which close it tightly immediately after the fortunate person with the key slips through. Only one person may pass each time a gate is unlocked, and this person must unlock the gate themselves and carry through with them the means by which they did it. Each gate is secured by a burglar-proof automatic lock, which may be unlocked only with the key to success. This key to success has 4 projections. All are of equal importance. Each is absolutely necessary, and all must act in conjunction. Each projection turns a little tumbler in the lock on the gates. Lacking any one projection, the key will not operate the lock on any gate. The perfect key with all projections perfect is a pass key. All the gates will fly open whenever this key is turned in their locks. If you possess this wonderful pass key, you need not hesitate to use it. It grows more and more perfect with use, and you may go as far as you would like towards success with this key. The names of these 4 projections are vision, education, exertion, and rulership. Taken in order, the first letters of these names spell V-E-E-R, veer. The whole key is therefore called the veer key. The one who possesses this key may always veer toward a large success. Indeed, they will always veer toward success whenever this key is used, for all gates unlocked with this key lead to success. The universe fortunately abounds in the material of which these 4 projections are made. These materials are the stuff of which women and men, not things, are made. Each person may fashion their own key. You may fashion yours, but you must look within yourself for these materials. You cannot take them from others. Where you do not at first find them, you must manufacture or develop them. Your job is to see that your opportunity does not pass you by. Look therefore within. Seek diligently to develop and perfect within yourself the materials for these projections, the forms of them, and the use of the whole key. Anyone can launch the boat of their life upon the stream of time and move right off without effort, but it takes work to move upstream. If you wish success in life, make perseverance your bosom friend. Experience your wise counselor, caution your elder sibling, and hope your guardian genius. The Inspirational Living Podcast is a production of The Living Hour. Get the best of our podcast in heirloom hardcover or digital ebook by visiting inspirationallifelessons.com.